Okay, sir.
Sanjana, please tell us about yourself. This is second interview for you, na?
No, sir, this is my first time. The
Hey,
first time
Baba.
was not.
But you are the first girl to join
Yes, sir.
RRB.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Acha,
It
please
was
tell me
because I was okay, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sanjana Biyuni, and I am coming from Kollam, Kerala. I have done my graduation in B.Sc Chemistry from SN College, Kollam in 2022. My family consists of four members: father, mother, and a younger sister. I believe I am a passionate, determined, and hardworking person.
Hmm. Hello, Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
That's all. This is what you want to
Okay.
tell me. That's all. Okay.
Yes.
Now, where are you working now?
No, I'm not working, sir. I'm preparing
Hmm?
for banking exams.
You are appearing for IBPSPO
Yes, RRB. Yeah.
or RRBPO. Very good.
Yes.
That's okay. I thought you are appearing for scale 2. That is why. No problem.
Okay.
Can you can you tell me what is the function of RRB?
Sir, RRB was introduced as a part of financial inclusion. Its main objective uh, is to provide banking services to the people in unbanked and underbanked areas. And besides that, it provides loan to the backward class people. It helps in increasing employment, and it encourage entrepreneurship through encouraging business and trade in rural areas. And it helps poor people from the money lenders. Then, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is NABARD and its function?
So NABARD is the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It is a Apex Development Bank. It is a microfinancing agency with a mandate to provide and regulate facilities to agriculture, small scale industries, rural handicrafts, rural uh, employments, with a view to promote rural development. It has the power to deal with all the matter involving planning, policy, operation regarding credit and loan to rural areas. It refinance institutions that provide credit and other facilities to the works or services in rural areas. These all are the functions of NABARD.
What is RIDF?
Sir, it is Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Um, it is maintained by NABARD. It, the banks, the extra funds from the banks are collected are invested in IRDF uh, for, and after that it is used for infrastructure development.
I think something more you may have to say. Which
Sir, I
bank?
haven't looked
You are
much
not.
into it. I
You are
forgot.
not.
Yes, sir. Yes, prepare. Yeah.
Which bank controls RIDF, National Bank for Rural Development? What is
Yes.
the use of RIDF? Assistance from RIDF constitutes a significant proportion of investment by the various state governments in the rural infrastructure sector. The main objective of the fund is to provide loans to state governments and the state-owned corporations to enable them to complete ongoing rural infrastructure projects. The investment is made by banks when they do not meet the priority sector lendings. The government
Okay,
of
sir.
India launched the integrated area. The program is help to provide poor people. So you please study about that in
Okay,
detail.
sir. I will. I will.
Don't
I
depend
have
on
noted it my book, but I forgot to go through that. I will
what
today
what are
itself. I will study.
what are the functions of RBI.
Sir, RBI is the Central Bank of India. It is the regulator and supervisor of Indian monetary system. Its main function is to supervise monetary policy. It is banker to the government. It banker to the bank. It RBI issues currency note, and its main objective is to ensure price stability.
Hmm.
Uh, Yes, sir. These.
Mhm. Good. Oh,
Thank.
Sanjana, are you the girl who was having fever and all?
Yeah,
You could
yes,
not.
sir. Yes, sir. Now also I am having it. The morning cough and all. This
Oh,
climate is changing. Accordingly, my health is changing. Stable till now.
I. That is why your interview is first, because otherwise you must have had one
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
interview.
Yes,
That's right.
before. Uh,
Yeah. Now, please tell me what is monetary policy and tell about it.
Sir, monetary policy mainly deal with it is to control the supply of money in the market or in the economy. So there are some measures used by RBI to control the supply of money, which include reserve ratios, bank rates, open market operations. In open market operations, it is the sale and purchase of government government securities in the market. In order to suck out liquidity, RBI sells government securities, and in order to infuse liquidity, RBI purchase government securities. And in through bank rates, there are repo rate, base rate, reverse repo rate. Such rates are there. With this, also RBI controls the money supply. There are
No,
reserve ratios.
no, actually, you should tell about monetary policy means monetary policy committee has 6 members, including chairman being governor of RBI, and one of the
Okay.
members is MD Patro. Then it
Uh,
meets every 2 months and formulates the policy. During that meeting, they decide about continuing the repo rate at the present level or increase it. The aim
okay,
of
sir.
MPC is to have a inflation level plus or minus 2%, that is 4 plus or minus 2. That is, they want to have it either 2% to 6%. Right now, in the month of September, the inflation was at the level of 5.02. So, looking into the inflation level, Reserve Bank will increase the repo rate if the inflation is high, and if the inflation is low, and if the money supply more is required, then they will reduce the uh, repo rate. When the bank increases the repo rate, the money banks will also borrow less from Reserve Bank, and they will lend to borrowers. And the money in circulation will come down, so the inflation will come down. The reverse is the case in case there is um, less less of inflation. Less than 2% inflation means government will try to reduce the um, uh, repo rate. So you must know about that.
Okay, sir.
Please tell me about priority sector lending.
So priority sector lending mainly deals with the poor people, the agriculture, the sectors which are agriculture, education, infrastructure, social development, etc. So in banks, every bank need to uh, maintain need to provide a percentage of their lending to priority sector lending. In case of RRBs, 75% of RRBs lending should be to priority sectors, and in case of other commercial banks, scheduled to commercial banks, it is 40% of their ANBC adjusted net bank credit. And
No,
in priority
I,
sector,
I think it is total advances. Priority sector lending is 75% of the total advances, not credit. Credit has got no relationship. Adjusted net bank credit. Oh, you said
sir, but it is
adjusted
net,
net bank credit. Oh,
yes, yes,
credit
ANBC.
means okay. I heard it as NDTL. No,
Oh no, sir.
that's correct.
Yes.
Correct only. However, under PSL, you should tell more in detail. You must be able to tell agriculture sector, then education, export, housing, small loans, MSME, that is renewable energy, then infrastructure like that. You must be able to tell in detail. You have not studied fully. Please study very well. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Now, please tell me about CD ratio.
So it is credit to a deposit ratio. Uh,
Mm.
it is how the bank lend out of its credit. How much the bank lend out of its credits. It's the ratio that shows how much a
Wha-
bank lend out of its credit. If it is, it's
No,
is is
why are you repeating the same thing three times?
uh, sorry, sir.
I don't know. You want to tell something, but that is not coming to your mind, so you are repeating the same thing
Yes,
again.
sir. Yes,
Credit deposit ratio is amount of loan given compared to deposits.
that's
Normally, the maximum we can give is up to 78% because 4.5% is CRR and mm, the SLR is 18%. So balance available is only 77.5. So they will give less than that only. So that is known as CD ratio.
ratio.
Good. Sanjana, what is your father?
Sir, my father has no job due to some health conditions. He's not working for many years.
How old is he? என்ன
He's
வயசு?
51 years.
51
51.
years. Oh
Yes.
God.
Sir, he had two heart attacks before almost 12 years.
Oh
Uh,
God.
so,
He is not
yes.
able. What was the work he was doing earlier?
Sir, he was working as a daily wages person. He was working in a shop.
Very bad. Sorry. How
Yes.
many siblings Sanjana has?
I have a younger sister.
Hmm,
She's currently pursuing her degree,
good.
graduation.
Very good. You did ECE, na? What is it you studied?
No, sir, chemistry, B.Sc chemistry.
Okay, good. Can you tell me current affair news that you can remember? Kerala current affair news.
Sir, the Keralium is a program conducted by Kerala government as a part of uh, Kerala Formation Day. It is a main news of Kerala now. It's a workshop, like it showcases it. It is an exhibition of uh, indigenous things of Kerala. It's a 5 day function, and Kerala Jyoti Award has been given as a part of Keralium program. And besides this,
What is
the
the new
earthquake in
what is the news about Calicut?
Calicut. No, sir, I haven't heard about that.
Calicut has been included as a place
Oh,
for
yes, sir. That literature. Yes, 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 sir.
literature, UNESCO, that one. Then what is the
Yes,
news about Kalamasari?
yes, that bombing. Should I said tell that?
You no, okay. Bomb blast, you know that. Very good.
Bomb blast.
What is Karavannur bank scam? Karavannur cooperative bank scam. You please
Yes.
prepare for that. You wanted to
Okay,
tell
okay.
about Nepal
No, I just wanted to yes, tell
tell
that
about Nepal earthquake. What is happening in Israel?
it's a war between Israel and Hamas.
Good. Who is
It
the
started on October 7th.
Prime Minister
Uh,
of Israel? Who is he?
Sir, Benjamin Netanyahu.
Good.
It's
Can you tell me
thanks.
the president of Ukraine?
Ukraine President Vladimir Zelensky. Is he president, prime minister?
Vla- no, no, Vladimir Putin.
Oh,
Is
so sorry, sorry. Yeah.
Vladimir Putin for Russia. Here,
Yes,
Zelensky. Zelensky.
Zelensky.
Very
It's
good.
also Vladimir, sir. Isn't it something same for both, I think?
Is it so? Oh, 1 minute. Uh, President of Ukraine. Oh, he is also more or less Volodymyr Zelensky, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
But he is Vladimir Putin.
Okay,
V
okay. The
V V
pronunciation difference.
Vladimir. Vladimir.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Good. You are answering well, Sanjana. I think you must get the job provided you have scored good marks over cutoff.
Okay, sir.
Over the
Sir,
cutoff.
I have a
Uh,
doubt, sir.
hmm,
Uh, in introduction, the thing is, I am saying, and after that, I am like there is a gap between the next question, so I'm doubtful that do I need to tell more
yeah,
till
yeah,
they ask
yeah,
next question.
yeah. Because
I
you
am
are
stopping. I am stopping randomly because I am tensed. I know more things, but I am not able to speak. Like
see in
there is a
the Bankers Adda book, it has been very clearly given that you should tell about your name, your native place, importance of native place, your degree, graduation, then any good marks, achievements in that one. Then next one, you will tell about your strengths also.
oh, okay, sir. But some are saying like you don't need to tell. So I was confused. You don't need to
No,
tell that. The introduction must be very short and precise. Like that. Some are saying like that. So I was confused. I had prepared with including my skills and all. So I thought
doesn't
that
matter.
it will be so lengthy and
Doesn't matter. You tell it differently because what happened in Kottayam, you must have seen it in our WhatsApp group. In Kottayam group, the interviewers asked, "Arey, what is it? Everybody is telling the same introduction. Did you attend Sambasivam Sar's class? Did you read that question or not? Did you see that posting made by
no.
Kottayam participant? You are
Yeah,
not seen. You
I
are not.
seen something yesterday and day before yesterday I had exam, so I was little busy. But
No, no. It
I,
happened only yesterday. Yesterday, a girl posted.
okay, sir, I will check that.
So no, but one thing you can tell introduction in different ways. That is good.
Okay, sir.
That is only good. Only good. DICGC gives coverage for deposits for up to how much lakhs?
5 lakh rupees.
Very good. Why should I select Sanjana? Because you joined me as a first candidate. Is that the reason? Huh? Tell me.
No, uh, as a RRB officer,
Yeah.
yes, it's sir. The main thing is I am a very socially concerned person. So in RRBs also, its main objective is financial inclusion. It's a social concern program. So if I am in RRB, I will um, try to provide maximum support to the people who need support. And I am from also from a rural side, so I will be able to in connect with them, to speak with them, to interact with them. It will be more easy. I could relate to them very easily.
In fact, in RRB interview, you can talk in Malayalam also. Not a problem.
Okay, sir.
Malayalam parayocho. Now, why should I select you? Tell me in Malayalam.
സാർ കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ പറയുന്നതാണ് എളുപ്പം എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തോണ്ട് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുമ്പോ പെട്ടെന്ന് സ്റ്റക്ക്
Acha,
ആവുന്നു.
account. But practice in Malayalam also because they will
ഓക്കെ
ask you
സർ.
to speak in Malayalam. Best
പക്ഷെ
wishes.
ഓക്കെ
Pache
സർ.
means but. Pache but.
ബട്ട്
Tell. Hmm.
എല്ലാരും പറഞ്ഞു ചെയർമാൻ മലയാളി അല്ലാത്തോണ്ട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാവാനാണ് ചാൻസ് കൂടുതൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Okay.
ഇവിടെ ഇതുവരെ ആ ഓക്കെ ഇന്നാ കേരളത്തിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഇന്ന് അറിയാൻ പറ്റും എങ്ങനെയാ
Group.
മലയാളത്തിലുണ്ടോന്നൊക്കെ. എസ് ആർ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഉണ്ട്.
Mostly Malayalathala undu.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ.
Thank you. God bless you. You're
താങ്ക് യു.
doing very well. Attend the
താങ്ക് യു സർ.
interview. Send the questions what they are asking. Best
ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി
wishes.
സർ.
God
താങ്ക് യു
bless
സർ.
you.
താങ്ക് യു.
I want Sanjana to definitely get because you are my first student. God bless you.